Fiesta Lincoln, we make servicing your vehicle expedited and convenient with our new best-in-class mobile service appointment. Why choose a mobile service over other options? Let's take a closer look. With Fiesta Lincoln, you get access to expert technicians who specialize in your vehicle's make and model. No need to disrupt your day by dropping off your car at the service center. We come to you, whether you're at home, work, or anywhere in between. Some of our services include recalls, replacements, updates, and much more. Rest assured, only genuine parts are used in your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. You'll also receive a comprehensive service report outlining the work done so you can drive with confidence knowing your vehicle is in top condition. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Visit fiestalincoln.com or give us a call at 480-428-3216.